Welcome to all parents and students. In this video, we will cover remaining few sums from exercise 2.4, that is matrices 12th commerce, maths 1. Okay, we have covered up to question number 9 from this exercise. Now question number 10. In this, we have to prove that A plus A transpose is a symmetric and A minus A transpose is Q-symmetric matrix. Very simple question given. Okay, from that number 1, let's try from exercise 2.4, question number 10, sub question number 1. They have given matrix A. A is given as first column 1 3 minus 2, 1 3 minus 2. Second column 2 2 minus 3, 2 2 minus 3, and the third column is 4 1 2, 4 1 2. Okay, this is matrix A. We have to show that A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is Q symmetric. So let's find out A transpose. A transpose. In our earlier video, we know how to find A transpose. Just convert rows into columns and columns into rows. So 1 2 4, first column, second row will become second column, 3 2 1, third row will become third column, minus 2 minus 3 2. So this is A transpose. Now we have to find A plus A transpose. So now A plus A transpose. So the matrix A, 1 3 minus 2, 2 2 minus 3, 4 1 2. A plus A transpose. A transpose is 1 2 4, first column, second column 3 2 1, and third column minus 2 minus 3 2. Just we have to add them. So add these two matrices. After adding 1 plus 1, you will get 2, 2 plus 3 5, 4 minus 2 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So we got A plus A transpose as this matrix. Okay, now we have to prove that it is symmetric matrix. Okay, so how we can prove? This is our A plus A transpose. Now we have to make its transpose again. Okay, this is our matrix A plus A transpose. So we got A plus A transpose. This is A plus A transpose. Here it is. Now we have to prove that this matrix is symmetric. Very simple. Just we have to find its transpose. अब इसे symmetric बनाना है या बताना है तो सिर्फ क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो मैट्रिक्स मिला है उसी का क्या करना है, ट्रांसपोज. सो देयरफॉर A plus A ट्रांसपोज एंड द होल ट्रांसपोज. मतलब ये जो मैट्रिक्स मिला है उसका फिर से क्या करना है, ट्रांसपोज. तो अगर आप इसका ट्रांसपोज करते हो तो क्या होगा, इफ यू मेक ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स, फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम 2 5 2, second row will become second column 5 4 minus 2, and third row will become third column, so 2 minus 2 4. Just check it out. Just check A plus A transpose and A plus A transpose ka transpose. Just check both these values. Are they same or not? Means the matrix and its transpose, are they same or not? Yes, they are same. So when matrix and its transpose are same, that means this matrix is symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? ये A plus A transpose का वैल्यू मिला है और ये क्या है, A plus A transpose का ट्रांसपोज मिला है. दोनों भी सेम है, मतलब A plus A transpose क्या है, symmetric matrix. So just write down. Where should I write? So therefore A plus A transpose is equal to A plus A transpose, the whole transpose. Therefore A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is the first part. We have to show that A plus A transpose is symmetric. So we have proved it. हमें ये प्रूव करना था, वो सिमेट्रिक है तो वो तो सिमेट्रिक हो गया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज वी हैव टू show that or prove that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. So let's try for A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose. Okay. After finishing this, then next step. Then write down next step A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. So let's check it out. A minus A transpose. Very simple one. Okay. After getting A plus A transpose is symmetric, then below that you start like this. Now A minus A transpose is equal to, this is A. Now here we want subtraction. So A minus A transpose. So here it is minus subtraction. Now we have to subtract 1 minus 1, that is 0. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 4 minus of minus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus of minus 3, 1 plus 3, that is 4. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So this is our A minus A transpose. This matrix is what? A minus A transpose. Okay. Now we have to prove that this matrix A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. So to check or to prove it is skew symmetric, first we have to get its transpose. ये skew symmetric prove करने के लिए first of all इसका क्या करना पड़ेगा? ट्रांसपोज लेना पड़ेगा. So A minus A transpose, the whole transpose. Now just make its transpose. First row will become first column 0 minus 1 6. Second row will become second column 1 0 4. Third row third column minus 6 minus 4 0. Okay. Now here both these matrices are looking same, elements are looking same, but their signs are opposite. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 6 minus 6. So just we have to take minus sign common. तो सिर्फ क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस साइन कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा. So if you take minus sign common, what you will get? If you take minus sign common, you will get like this. By taking minus sign common, you will get A minus A transpose. The whole transpose is equal to, taking minus sign common, you will get 0 plus 1 will become minus 1, minus 6 will become plus 6, and then 1 0 4. 1 0 4. Third row minus 6 minus 4 0 minus 6 minus 4 0. Now just check it out. This matrix is nothing but A minus A transpose. Okay, so you can write down, therefore A minus A transpose, the whole transpose is equal to minus A minus A transpose. Means transpose and matrix are same but opposite in sign. When this happens, you can call it as a skew symmetric matrix. मतलब matrix और उसका transpose, okay, they are same but opposite in sign. तब ये क्या होता है? Skew symmetric matrix. So therefore A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. A skew symmetric matrix, hence proved. Okay, got it? So very simple question. A is given, then you have to find A transpose, and then A plus A transpose, make its transpose, if both are same, symmetric. Then again A minus A transpose, A minus A transpose, you got A minus A transpose matrix, then make its transpose करना, both are same but opposite in sign, so take minus sign common, then you will get like this. That means it is a skew symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? So there is one more question in question number 10. Okay, sub question number 2, you can solve it on your own the same way, just elements are different. Okay, procedure will be the same. Okay, so move on to question number 11, where the question is express each of the following matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Means one matrix is given and we have to express that matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so let's do that sum. Symmetric and skew symmetric, we have to express given matrix as a sum or a combination of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A simple one. Okay, I'll go with question number 11, sub question number 2. I'll go with sub question number 2 because it is of order 3 into 3, and sub question number 1, it is of order 2 into 2. So that is simple one. You can do it on your own. I'm trying question number 2. Matrix is given, so let's denote that matrix as A. Let given matrix A, the matrix is given, let denote it by letter A, and the matrix is first row 3 3 minus 1, second row minus 2 minus 2 1, minus 2 minus 2 1, and the third row is minus 4 minus 5 2. Okay, this is your given matrix. We have to express it as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, for your kind information, any matrix can be represented as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How? The simple logic is, we know that A can be written as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. You can write any matrix in this format. Okay, just check it out. If you expand this expression, इसे अगर आपने expand किया तो क्या मिलने वाला है? बहुत ही सिंपल है. half of A transpose plus half A minus half of A transpose. So what will happen? अगर इसे आप एक्सपांड करते हो, हाफ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ऐसे आएगा ना, हाफ ए प्लस हाफ ए ट्रांसपोज. और अदरवाइज, इन अदर वर्ड्स, if you take minus and common, then also, okay, in other words, if you take half of common, what you'll get? You'll get A plus A transpose plus here A minus A transpose. So what will happen? A transpose minus A transpose will get cancel. A plus A. So half A plus A will become 2A. 2 will get cancelled. So what will be the answer? A. Are you getting it? So this A can be written as this. मतलब कोई भी मैट्रिक्स जो है वो इस फॉर्मेट में आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, क्योंकि इसे जब आप एक्सपांड करते हो तो वही मैट्रिक्स मिलता है ना. तो फिर ऐसे क्यों एक्सपांड किया है? Why we have expanded like this? Because just now we have studied A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix always. If you take any matrix, A plus A transpose is always symmetric and A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric. Are you getting it? ये ऐसा क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि अभी तो आपने देखा, अगर इसे हम एक्सपांड करते हैं तो आंसर तो A आने वाला है. मतलब इसी मैट्रिक्स को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. अब ऐसे ही क्यों लिखना है? क्योंकि उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा है? एक्सप्रेस गिवन मैट्रिक्स एज अ सम. सम मतलब एडिशन. एज अ सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो ये जो दिख रहा है आपको A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज, ये क्या है? सिमेट्रिक है. और ये जो दिख रहा है वो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. यही तो क्वेश्चन है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी हैव गॉट A. नाउ वी वांट A ट्रांसपोज. सो हियर A transpose is equal to A transpose. Okay, just make it transpose. Very simple. First row become first column 3 3 minus 1. Second row minus 2 1. Third row minus 4 minus 5 2. So we got A transpose. After getting A transpose, what we have to do? Simple. A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. So therefore A plus A transpose is equal to A. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. A plus A transpose 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, and minus 1 1 2. Now just add them. What you will get? 3 plus 3 6, 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, 2 plus 2 4. This is A plus A transpose. Now we want what? We want half of A plus A transpose now. So therefore half of A plus A transpose is equal to, just multiply by half, and the complete matrix. Write down the complete matrix. 6 1 minus 5 first row, 1 minus 4 minus 4 second row, minus 5 minus 4 4 third row. Okay, half A plus A transpose. Now this half will multiply to each and every element, and to make it simple, you can assume or you can use any different letter for this half A plus A transpose. थोड़ा सिंपल लगने के लिए ये जो हाफ A plus A transpose लिखा है, इसके लिए आप कोई अलग लेटर भी यूज कर सकते हो. सपोज इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक दे हैव यूज्ड लेटर P, सो यू कैन यूज दैट लेटर आल्सो. ये जो लिखा है ना हाफ A plus A transpose, इसी के लिए आप P लेटर भी यूज कर सकते हो. So where should I write? So let me write here. So therefore let P is equal to half A plus A transpose. That is nothing but, if you multiply by half, what you will get? हाफ अगर अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, हाफ मल्टीप्लाई करा मतलब 2 से डिवाइड करेगा, बराबर है. सो यू विल गेट 6 डिवाइड बाय 2 मतलब 3, 1 डिवाइड बाय 2 1 by 2, then minus 5 by 2, then 1 by 2, minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2, minus 4 by 2 minus 2, minus 5 by 2, then minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2, and 4 by 2, that is 2. So you got P. This is your P, and if you observe carefully, this is nothing but symmetric matrix. Just check it out. First row, first column, both are same. Second row, second column, both are same. Third row, third column, both are same. So this is symmetry. This is the first part. We got symmetric matrix. Now we want skew symmetric. For that, what we have to do? Half A minus A transpose. Okay. So here P is symmetric matrix. Okay. Now A minus A transpose is equal to, just put down the values. Value for A का वैल्यू क्या, वैल्यू है A का फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो 3 3 minus 1, second row minus 2 1, third row minus 4 minus 5 and 2. This is A minus A transpose. A transpose 3 minus 2 minus 4 first row, second row 3 minus 2 minus 5 and third row minus 1 1 2. Okay, so A minus A transpose. Now just make a subtraction very easily. A minus A transpose and get the answer quickly. Just subtraction आपको करना है. A minus A transpose बहुत ही simple subtraction है. So what you will get? 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, that is 0. 3 minus of minus 2, मतलब 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1, minus of minus 4, minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 1, minus of minus 5, 1 plus 5, that is 6. Minus 4, minus of minus 1, means minus 4 plus 1. minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 2 minus 2 0. Okay, this is A minus A transpose. Now we want what? Half of it, na? Okay, so let Q is equal to half of A minus A transpose. Suppose that matrix letter Q is equal to half of A minus A transpose. So that is nothing but half into this matrix. Your matrix is 0 5 3 minus 5 0 6 minus 3 minus 6 0. Okay, if you multiply by half, what you will get? So therefore Q is equal to क्या मिलेगा? 0 5 by 2 3 by 2 फर्स्ट रो, देन minus 5 by 2 0 6 by 2 मतलब 3 सेकेंड रो, और थर्ड रो में क्या आएगा? minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3 and 0. So just check it out. This Q, this is nothing but skew symmetric matrix. First row first column are same but opposite in sign. देख रहे हो? फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम सेम है बट साइन डिफरेंट है. सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम सेम है बट साइन डिफरेंट है. सो दिस इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. सो यू कैन राइट हियर Q is skew symmetric matrix. Here Q is skew symmetric matrix. Now we have to express A as symmetric plus skew symmetric. So P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. And just now we have written there A is equal to half of A plus A transpose. So half of A plus A transpose is nothing but P plus half of A minus A transpose. So half of A minus A transpose is nothing but Q. So what we have to write? A is equal to P plus Q, where P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. Okay, that will be our final answer. Are you getting it? So therefore what we have to write? So finally we have to write, so therefore A is equal to half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. A is equal to P plus Q. Okay, so therefore A is equal to symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. A is equal to symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. That we have to express. We have to express that A is a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, or in the end you can put down all the values, okay, to show that A is a combination of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? So this will be your final answer. So A is a combination of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? The same way you can solve question number 1, which is of order 2 into 2. Very simple one. बराबर है. इसी लॉजिक को यूज करके आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही सिंपल है. क्या क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज A, then find out its transpose A transpose, then first find out A plus A transpose. Okay, multiply by half, it will give you matrix P. So P is equal to half of A plus A transpose, and that will be symmetric matrix. Then find out A minus A transpose, multiply by half, it will give you matrix Q. So Q is equal to half of A minus A transpose, which comes as a skew symmetric matrix. And then just show A is equal to P plus Q, where P is the symmetric matrix and Q is the skew symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? Okay. Now question number 12. In that question they have given matrix A and matrix B. Two matrices are given, and then just we have to verify certain things. Very simple question is given. I think you can do it on your own. Very simple question is given. A and B, two matrices are given. Question number, last question from this exercise, that is question number 12. They have given two matrices, okay, A and B. A is given as matrix A, first column 2 3 4, 2 3 4, second column minus 1 minus 2 1. This is the matrix A. Then matrix B is given as first row 0 3 minus 4, 0 3 minus 4 first row. Second row 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1. So these are the two matrices given, and now we have to find number one, we have to show or verify that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, and number two, we have to show that BA transpose is equal to A transpose into B transpose. Okay, so out of these two, I will try first one, you can do second one. Okay, so I will try first one, similarly you can find out second one. So what is the requirement? What we require here we require AB, and then we have to make its transpose. A is given, B is given, we have to find B transpose, A transpose, and then just multiply them. Okay, so let's start. Let me find out first B transpose and A transpose. A and B is given, so solution will be like this. These are the given matrices. Okay, A and B. Okay, so therefore A transpose will be first row will become first column will become first row 2 3 4, second column minus 1 minus 2 1. So this is my A transpose. Now B is given as matrix B 0 3 minus 4 first row, 2 minus 1 1 second row. So therefore B transpose, first row will become first column 0 3 minus 4, second row will become second column 2 minus 1 1. Finished. So I got A transpose, B transpose. Now I want what? AB, and then I have to make its transpose. So AB also AB means A into B. So matrix A is 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 1. This is A into B. B is 0 3 minus 4, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, now just we have to multiply them. We have to multiply these two matrices. In earlier exercises we have studied how to multiply two matrices. Very simple one. First row, first column. Okay, so 2 into 0 0, minus 1 into 2 2, so 0 minus 2. First row, first column, 2 into 0 0, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, so 0 minus 2 minus 2. I can write directly minus 2. Are you getting it? 0 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 2. Then first row, second column here, 2 into 3 6, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, so 6 plus 1 7. So I can write straight away directly 6 plus 1 7. Are you getting it? Not. 2 into 3 6, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, so 6 plus 1 7. Then first row, third column here, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Are you getting it? Now second row, first column, 3 into 0 0, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, so 0 minus 4 minus 4. Second row, second column, 3 into 3 9, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, so 9 plus 2 11. Second row, third column, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 12 minus 2 minus 14. एक स्टेप थोड़ा कम कर रहा हूं मैं, हाँ, बिकॉज अभी प्रैक्टिस हो गया है मल्टीप्लीकेशन का, सो यू कैन अवॉइड दैट स्टेप. थर्ड रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम, 4 into 0 0 plus 1 into 2 2, 0 plus 2, that is 2. Third row, second column, 4 3s are 12, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 12 minus 1 11. Third row, third column, 4 into minus 4 minus 16, 1 into 1 1 minus 16 plus 1, that is minus 15. So this is AB. Now we have to get just AB transpose now. Okay, so therefore AB transpose is equal to, just interchange rows and columns. So first row will become first column minus 2 7 minus 9 minus 2 7 minus 9 first column. Second column will be minus 4 11 and minus 14. This is second column. Third column will be 2 11 minus 15. 2 11 minus 15. This will be the third column. So this is AB transpose. Okay. Now what we have to show, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is our equation number 1. This is question number 1. Now we have to find what? B transpose into A transpose. So therefore now B transpose into A transpose equal to, so B transpose, this is B transpose into A transpose. B transpose is nothing but 0 3 minus 4 2 minus 1 1. This is B transpose into A transpose. A transpose is nothing but 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 1. Just make a multiplication. Okay, same way just now we have done, the same way we have to perform the multiplication. Okay, first row first column, 0 into 2 0 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2. First row second column, 0 into 3 0, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. First row third column, 0 into 4 0, 2 into 1 2, so it is 2, minus 2 minus 4 2. Second row first column, 3 2s are 6, minus 1 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7. Second row second column, 3 3s are 9, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, 9 plus 2 11. Second row third column, 3 4s are 12, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 12 minus 1 11. Then third row first column, minus 4 2s are minus 8, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Third row second column, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 12 minus 2 minus 14. Third row third column, minus 4 into 4 minus 16, 1 into 1 1, minus 16 plus 1, that is minus 15. So this is your equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. So just take it out, equation number 1 and equation number 2, are they same or not? Equation number 1 will give you AB transpose and equation number 2 will give you B transpose into A transpose. Just check it out. Both these values are same. So in the end you have to write from 1 and 2, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, hence verified. Okay, that should be written in the end. Are you getting it? What you have to do? A is given, first find out A transpose. B is given, then find out B transpose. Then what they want? AB transpose. Okay, so to get AB transpose, first we have to find AB. How to get AB? Just multiply A and B as usual. So multiplying A and B, you will get AB. Then make its transpose, AB transpose. That is equation number 1. And then B transpose into A transpose. This is the value for B transpose. This is the value for A transpose. So B transpose into A transpose. Now just multiply. Equation number 2. And in the end you can write from 1 and 2. So therefore you can write from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 you can write AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, hence verified. Okay, so same way you can solve question number 2, that is BA transpose is equal to A transpose into B transpose. Okay, in that A transpose B transpose we have already calculated. Just you have to find BA first, B into A. This is AB, A into B. After this, just find out BA, B into A, then make its transpose. Okay, so BA transpose, equation number 1, and then A transpose into B transpose. Just make a multiplication. That will be equation number 2, and then you can write down final answer. Are you getting it? So here we have covered complete exercise 2.4. So in our next video we will handle most important topic or most tricky topic. Okay, so be ready for that topic. Before that, just go through this exercise, very simple exercise, one of the most easiest exercise, most easy exercise from this chapter. So just go through that exercise, solve problems on your own. Okay, so once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Keep watching, keep solving, keep practicing.